In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use activity tracking in QuickBooks Time using a laptop browser. Whether you're overseeing a small crew or a larger team, this walkthrough will help you quickly see who's on the clock, what they're working on, and when they started, all from a single dashboard. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Time account using a laptop browser. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and make sure your permissions allow you to view team activity. If you're part of multiple companies or accounts, confirm you've selected the correct one before moving on. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click Who's Working. If your browser window is narrow, this menu might be collapsed into icons. Expand it if needed. The Who's Working screen is your real-time window into your team's day. Here, you'll see a list of team members who are currently clocked in. This list updates as people start and stop their time, so it's a great way to keep tabs on what's happening right now. If someone doesn't appear, it usually means they aren't clocked in at the moment. For each team member, you'll notice a few key details that give you instant context. First, their clock-in status shows whether they're actively on the clock. You'll also see the job or customer they're assigned to. This is especially useful if your team moves between clients or projects throughout the day, because it helps you confirm that time is being tracked to the right place. Finally, you'll see their start time, which tells you when they began their current shift or task. Use this to estimate how long they've been working without having to drill into individual timesheets. If you want to review a different day's activity, use the date selector at the top of the page. Pick the date you want, and the view will switch to show who was working on that day, along with their assignments and start times. This is handy for quick spot checks or for answering questions about a previous shift without running a full report. When you need more detail for a specific person, simply click their name. This opens additional information about that time entry, giving you a closer look at what they're working on and when that entry began. It's a clean way to validate activity without leaving the page or disrupting your workflow. That's all you need to monitor activity in QuickBooks Time using a laptop browser. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.